Pencil drawing is how it all started for me, so going back to it is like hitting the refresh button. This month, I wanted to take on the challenge of filling as much of this new sketchbook as possible with animal expressions, starting with cats, of course. Because my focus today is on pencil layering, I've gone ahead and traced the outline to save some time. Have you ever wondered what those numbers and letters on drawing pencils mean? H stands for hard, and any pencils marked with H are ideal for light layers. That's why I use a combination of them to first cover up the surface of the paper. To blend between layers, you can either shade in the opposite direction or use a soft facial tissue. Using a combination of both will give you a more seamless look. Would you believe that I used to draw portraits with only one pencil, the 2B? But after trying Darrel Tank's 5-pencil method, I've noticed a big difference in my drawing. The subtle layers add a lot of depth that make a portrait appear more three-dimensional. As you move on to the pencils marked with a B, which stands for bold, you'll notice how easy it is to get those dark values. This HB pencil is a good balance between the two to gradually add detail and tonal value. In case you're wondering, this is Pancho, one of my brother's cats, and like most cats, you'll find Pancho napping or doing something silly. The bottom of his paw is a deep black. It's tempting to just use a 2B or higher to color it in quickly, but remember, the higher up you go, the shinier your drawing will look with these numbered B pencils. That's why I prefer the method of layering and using the B pencils sparingly. Now that you know which ones are which, experiment and see which combination of H and B pencils best suits your style. I personally like my drawings to look soft and delicate, so I use the numbered B pencils sparingly. In addition to pencils, I also use a combination of erasers to soften harsh lines and reveal highlights. There are many types of erasers out there, but stick erasers like this narrow one have become a staple in my toolkit. After cleaning it on a piece of paper and flattening the tip, I use it to reveal highlights and light-colored fur. And now for the final details, I'm going to use the 2B and 4B pencil to define the eyes and add a few distinctive stripes on Pancho. Well, I hope you found these tips and tricks useful. Drawing in layers is certainly a test of patience, but the result is well worth the effort. This regular practice of filling a sketchbook has improved not only my focus, but also my art. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more drawing or more painting demos. Until next time! If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for new videos every week.